Well, hey there, y'all. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing well. Alright, guys, we've got some more spoilers that have been confirmed for the BoxyCharm October base box, and we're just going to go over what we have so far for October base and premium. So if you're excited about this video, y'all, go ahead and hit your thumbs up button. Also, hit your subscribe button and make sure your bell's on. That way you're notified and you don't miss out on no spoilers. And before we get started, if you're new here, hi, I'm Mandy. I do a lot of makeup related videos. Now sometimes I'll go off track and do something else I'm interested in, but I promise not to disappoint you all the time. Now let's read that first comment from my last video, which was showing the Ipsy October choice items. Well, thank you so much, Priscilla Acosta. Priscilla says, hi, how are you? Priscilla, honey, I'm doing about as good as it gets, but I hope you're doing well, and I really appreciate you having your bell on and coming and watching the video. It's so good seeing you, girl. I love you. And if you yourself would like to get a shout out, be sure to leave a comment under this video. You're going to have one out of two chances of getting it. You could either set your bell and try to be first at it, or you could be one of the comments I pick. You never know, I might pick you. Now stay tuned till the end when I read the comment that I did pick. Alright guys, before we dive into this madness, I'm going to put up a 5-second timer. If you're not subscribed to this channel, go ahead and do so during that time. You're going to see a little red heart. It's going to turn a shade of blue for about a half a second, so don't blink. But it's also going to give you good luck for the rest of 2020, and who don't need that right now? So let's go ahead and do that. Well, welcome to the family, guys. Now, let's dive into this madness. Again, we are going over the spoilers for the October base box as well as the premium box. And we do have some spoilers that has been confirmed for both boxes. So first, let's start with this base box. Now, we do know of the choice items. The first one was the Farsali Quench Moisture Replenishing Serum, or the Murad AHA BHA Exfoliating Cleanser, and then as well as the Real Her Ultimate Glow Getter Face Palette. Now this has got a blush, a highlight, and a bronzer. And then of course the Dose of Colors Meet Your Hue Concealer. Now again, those were the choice items for the base box. Now next we have a variation. This is the Tarte Maracuja Miracle Setting Mist. And now for two spoilers that has been newly confirmed. Now we have seen these, but we didn't know where they was going. So the first one is the Pretty Vulgar Nesting Bee Face Palette. This is a 6-pan palette. Absolutely gorgeous. I love it. So this has been confirmed to be going in the October base box. And then last but certainly not least, this is the Rodile Soft Focus Glow Drops. Again, another item that we've seen, but we didn't know where it was going. It is now confirmed to be in the base box. So guys, let's go ahead and dive into the premium box. So first up, of course, was the choice item. The first one was the Kosas Tinted Face Oil Foundation. Kind of looks like more of a BB cream to me. You could have chosen that or the Kosas Color and Light Duo Cream Palette. Now, they either had that option or they've got the Color and Light Duo palette in the powdered version. So you could either choose the cream or the powder or of course the foundation. So I think that's really neat. It looks like both of them are a blush and highlight duo. Both of them are the same product, but one's in cream and one's in powder. So I think that's really neat. Now next up, guys, these were confirmed not too long ago. The Clarins Instant Smooth Perfecting Touch Primer as well as the Murad Hydrating Spray Toner. Now that's very neat. I've never seen a toner that come in spray form, so that I like that. So guys, a new item that has been confirmed to go in the premium October box is the Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Kiss Lip Butter. Now this is a tinted lip butter, so I think that's really neat. And another item that is got a very strong possibility of going into the premium October box is the Illuminati and Isabel Bedoya collab eyeshadow palette. Again, that is not confirmed. Susan seems to think it's going in the October premium box, and you know, her guesses are usually always right, so I'm with her on that. So guys, let me know what you think about all these items down in the comments section. If you got to choose any, what did you get to choose? What are you hoping to see come in your box? And of course, as soon as they reveal anything else, I'll keep you guys updated. You know I'm going to keep you in the loop. And as always, BoxyCharm is linked below if you want to go check them out. Now guys, let's go ahead and read that comment that I picked in my last video. Well, thank you so much, Crystal May. Crystal says, hey girl, love watching these videos. Well, Crystal, honey, that just warms my heart. It makes me feel so good knowing that you guys are enjoying these videos. Y'all enjoy seeing spoilers because I'm nosy. I have to see spoilers. And Crystal, I really appreciate you coming and watching the video. I love you, girl. And remember, guys, you got to leave that comment if you want to shout out. And guys, double check. Please make sure you're still subscribed to my channel. You know how YouTube likes to take my subscribers and tell me I ain't got any? Yeah, they do it all the time. But if you would check on that for me, if you're not, why the hell not? I mean, it's 100% free and it's a gift from me to you. And it's rude not to accept a gift, so you got to take it. So go on down there and hit that button. Then I'm going to need y'all to rate the video, but you're only going to have one option. You can only hit that thumbs up button because my thumbs down button quit working a long time ago and YouTube won't fix it. And there's one more tiny thing before you guys head out. Dang YouTube. If you would, make sure your notification bell set on. That way you don't miss another upload of mine. You'll catch all these spoilers. And guys, I also do a lot of other videos other than these spoilers. So if you ever want to put a face to the voice, go check those out. That's it. That's all I got for you. I love y'all so much. I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.